installation of the DF16E150 extractor fan from Secret Jardin. The first thing you want to make sure is have a look at where the output air points to. Then simply put it 45 degrees off from where you want it. Make sure that it slots into place, and then give it your 45-degree turn. And that is it. Your fan is installed. It's easy as that. To attach a vent adapter, you'll need one of these rings, which is included with the fan, and you can buy them separately also. Just take that, slot it on, same system, give it a 45-degree twist, and it locks into place. Then take your hose adapter, again put it in, press it down, twist it into place, and that is it. That is the Secret Jardin DF16E150 fan installation. The exact same procedure is used for installing the DF16E350 extractor fan.